When spring appears, you never know when you're going to be caught in a warm spell, and having the best floor fans at hand can be a lifesaver on those hot days. A straightforward and easy way to keep you and your home cool throughout those long summer days. Floor fans also help to circulate air throughout your home. The decision to purchase a floor fan is easy. Selecting the right one for you may not be as easy. There are a few things to consider here. The size of the fan is essential, along with the variable speed of the fan. With a wide variety of selections available on the market, it can be challenging for you to pick the correct one. We're going to go ahead and help you with that. Check out the video description below for more information and its prices. So let's get started with the video. If you're a water damage repair professional who requires professional grade equipment, choose the Max Storm air mover from Soleaire. This powerful yet transportable air mover produces dependable performance even in strong commercial and industrial environments. Its polyethylene shell guards it against damage, while it remains to move air, overnight or also longer if you require, to move on to other things while it operates. At just 25 pounds, the Max Storm is natural for a single service provider to move and maneuver into hard-to-reach spaces like attics, closets, and crawl spaces. But what you get in compactness, you won't sacrifice in power, as the Max Storm produces professional-grade air-moving production. The Max Storm most often finds utility in janitorial services, carpet cleaning, water damage restoration, and similar industries. The Genesis 16-inch 360-degree movable floor fan is an energy-saving fan with innovative design. It has been created with a durable copper motor to last longer. This powerful floor fan is ideal for cooling a bedroom or an office. The 16-inch head provides you the option to place it on the floor, on a dresser, or on a table. The 3 fan speeds offer the choice of how cool you want the fan to blow. The fan head can be tilted to any angle and can rotate a full 360 degrees. This will enable it to explode in any direction you choose, even entirely upward or downward. This fan has been ETL registered with UL approval and uses overload safety security with a fuse in the plug. Please note that during the first few moments of first use, you may notice a slight odor due to lubrication of the motor at the factory. This is normal and will instantly disappear. Genesis floor fan includes a powerful copper motor that enables excellent air circulation and the capacity to cool off even in big rooms. The X-41 ATR is the ultimate axial fan, stuffed with characteristics such as variable speed control up to 3600 CFM, low 2.4 amp draw, 3-hour timer, included 360-degree rotation rack stand, and built-in power outlets with circuit breaker to get a variety of jobs done. Use this high-performance fan with its unique grille design to spread a powerful and focused stream of air up to 60 feet in any direction. This axial fan highlights a sealed external induction rotor motor for maximum torque and protection from contaminants and water damage. Easily transportable, this unit's super lightweight yet long-lasting ABS injection molded housing is daisy chainable and can be accumulated up to 5 units high. Ducting hoses, 16DH25 or 16DH15, and adapter kit, 16DHK, are available individually for confined space ventilation. XPower produces centrifugal snail fans, axial fans, enclosed space fans, commercial air purification systems, high-static inflatable advertising blowers, and expert pet grooming dryers. The 723DC is the ever-growing line of energy-smart air circulators. Combining the traditional style with a more powerful airflow up to 80 feet, the brushless DC motor uses up to 80% less power, bringing a modern facility to the home. A return to shifting speed puts you accurate control of your environment, and the signature vortex action produces whole room circulation, keeping the whole room cool and comfortable. Plug in a Vornado Energy Smart Circulator and you'll automatically employ up to 80% less power than you would with a related AC motor product. That's something to smile about. With lesser fans, greater efficiency sometimes compares to less powerful airflow. Not so with Energy Smart Circulators. Combining a more powerful, brushless DC motor with traditional Vornado engineering, the new line of circulators present power to spare. The Stanley High Velocity Blower Fan is a unique, multi-purpose rotating utility fan that is excellent for use in tight spaces where fresh air is necessary, such as workspaces, attics, basements, and garages. The fan highlights 3 high-velocity speeds, a rugged, easy-to-carry handle, and provides a powerful, focused airstream. With a patented full-range adjustable fan head, the Stanley Pivoting Utility Fan is also well-suited for wiping carpets, floors, walls, and furniture. It emphasizes 2 additional outlets for tools and more, as well as a circuit breaker with a reset switch for safety. This pivoting utility fan has a 3-prong grounding connection, is ETL listed, and is fully assembled. Use this fan for cooling, venting, exhausting, or drying, and discover the multi-purpose benefit of this fan. It gives you direct airflow where you want it, from floor to ceiling and anywhere in between with the patented pivoting action. The iliving 24 inches, 61 centimeter BLDC mobile fan is outlined to move large volumes of air, ideal for buildings, factories, storehouses, loading docks, and auto shops. Its brushless DC electric motor has a fan speed that varies from 10 CFM to 5800 CFM, enabling you to adjust the airflow to your desired power while remaining cost and energy efficient, using only 210 watts at maximum speed. This cooler has a 3-blade aluminum propeller with a built-in 360-degree rotation feature. The fan housing is constructed of heavy-duty steel with powder-coated wire guards in compliance with US OSHA standard 1910.212 1/2 inches opening demands. BLDC motor runs at continuous variable speeds. It has a solid metal assembly with sturdy wheels. It works quite low at slow RPM. The controls are straightforward. They consist of an on-off switch and continuous speed control, like a dimmer switch, that enables you to set the exact speed you require. Even on the highest setting, the fan is relatively quiet and doesn't vibrate and try to walk away like some of those large ranges tend to do. These are the best floor fans you can buy today, and if you liked the video, then hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on newer uploads.